Stop wasting time and money on ideas that don't deliver.
The real winners in 2026 will be the ones who build smart, machine-based businesses that scale fast and stay profitable.
Stick around because today I'm sharing the proven business ideas you can start right now,
along with setup cost, profit range, marketing tactics, and supplier info to help you launch strong. All right, let's begin. As the world bans single-use plastics, biodegradable paper plates are turning into a booming opportunity. The paper plate market alone is expected to reach $1.27 billion by 2025, growing at 6% annually. With a $15,000 to $25,000 investment for a paper pulp molder and hydraulic press, you can start from a small workshop or even your garage. Each plate costs 5 to 10 cents to produce and sells for double, giving 20 to 40% profit margins. Many small manufacturers earn $5,000 to $10,000 monthly within their first year by targeting local cafes and event planners. Create social media content showing how fast your plates decompose. Eco-visuals always go viral. Partner with restaurants or eco-stores using green hashtags.
Imagine starting a business with low investments but high profit? Sounds good, right?
What's the plastic ban situation like where you live?
Comment below.
The demand for sustainable home decor is soaring, and bamboo furniture is leading that shift. The market already exceeds $13.66 billion globally, growing 7.2% yearly. With $20,000 for polishers, cutters, and benders, you can craft elegant bamboo chairs, lamps, or tables from a small workshop. Raw materials are cheap, and finished pieces sell for 3 to 5 times production cost, giving you 35 to 45% margins. Eco-conscious hotels, cafes, and resorts love bamboo aesthetics, while minimalist buyers appreciate its clean design. Market through Pinterest and Instagram using lifestyle visuals that show natural textures. Offer limited edition pieces to create exclusivity and demand. With consistent craftsmanship, you can build a recognized brand that sells globally through Etsy or Shopify.
Most people don't even know these ideas exist, but they're pure gold if you start now.
Healthier snacks are becoming the new normal, and wafer production is a profitable entry point. The global healthy snacks industry is expected to cross $144.64 billion by 2030 as consumers move away from fried foods. With a $10,000 to $15,000 wafer baking machine, you can produce millet, oats, or chia-based wafers ideal for gyms, schools, and cafes. Production cost is around $3 per kilo, while retail prices go for $6 to $7, leaving 35 to 40% margins. You can even brand them as zero oil or protein-rich for niche markets. Sell through fitness centers, health stores, and delivery apps. Create 15-second reels with crunch test sounds. They attract massive engagement. Expand by adding flavored variants or combo packs. With the right marketing, a local snack brand can scale into a national label within 12 months. Natural repellents are quietly taking over global homes. The eco mothball market, made from camphor, neem, and lavender oils, is expected to reach $8 billion by 2028, growing with household awareness. You can start this business with $6,000 to $8,000, covering a mixing and molding unit. A small batch produces thousands of units daily, earning 60 to 70% profit margins. They sell fast in organic stores and online because customers want safer alternatives for wardrobes and storage boxes. Add aroma variations to create premium segments. Marketing them as chemical-free wardrobe protectors instantly connects with eco-friendly buyers. You can start production from a clean workspace at home and expand later into export. With strong packaging and branding, this small setup can quickly become a steady, long-term income stream. Laser cutting is reshaping how crafts are made, combining creativity with machine precision. The laser engraving and craft market exceeds $6.85 billion, growing with demand for personalized gifts and decor. With $8,000 to $10,000 for a compact laser cutter, you can make nameplates, wall art, ornaments, or wedding decor with 40 to 60% margins. Customization is key. Initials, dates, and designs multiply the price. A single operator can manage hundreds of orders monthly once templates are built. Sell through Etsy or craft fairs, or partner with local gift shops. Social media videos showing intricate laser detailing capture instant attention. You can even license your designs digitally to passive income platforms. Once operational, your laser machine pays for itself in months, making it a smart, creative venture for 2026. Think about summer demand. Hotels, fish vendors, and caterers all rely on ice blocks daily. The global ice-making market is projected to reach $8 billion by 2027, and local production remains largely untapped. With a $12,000 portable ice machine, you can produce up to 200 blocks daily, each costing 20 cents to make and selling for 60 cents, a 200% margin. The business runs year-round, especially in coastal or tropical regions. Sell to beverage outlets, seafood markets, and event caterers with scheduled delivery plans. Branding your ice as ultra clear or filtered can even justify higher pricing. Add a small freezer truck later for distribution. With low maintenance, this is one of the most reliable and steady cash flow businesses to start as 2026 begins. Education and technology now merge through 3D printing, and it's a perfect small-scale opportunity. The global educational 3D toy market will surpass $3.5 billion by 2032 as schools seek STEM-based tools. For $2,000 to $3,000, you can design interactive math models, puzzles, and science kits for schools or online sales. Each toy set costs $5 to produce and sells for $10 to $15, yielding 50 to 60% profit margins. Partner with teachers or education YouTubers to promote learning through play. Subscription boxes for monthly STEM kits can ensure recurring revenue. Use vibrant product videos showcasing how toys help visualize lessons. Parents love visual learning aids. With creativity and consistency, this can evolve into a recognized educational brand within a year. Artistic welding turns metal into premium home decor, and it's trending fast. The decorative metalwork segment grows around 4.7% yearly, boosted by real estate and interior design. With $10,000 to $12,000 for welding tools, safety gear, and basic materials, you can create metal sculptures, wall frames, or racks that sell for 2 to 3 times cost. Profit margins reach 45 to 50%, especially for custom projects. Interior designers and boutique hotels love metal decor that feels handmade. Capture transformation videos, from raw steel to elegant art, for Instagram. Collaborate with architects or run weekend workshops to add income. You can even export small pieces through global craft marketplaces. A single creative welder can turn this industrial skill into a profitable design business. Craft drinks are exploding in popularity, especially among young urban consumers. The global craft beverage market is expected to reach $210 billion by 2030, with microbreweries leading growth. With $40,000 to $60,000, you can launch a compact unit producing beer, kombucha, or artisanal soda. Daily profits can range from $300 to $400, depending on volume and variety. Use locally sourced ingredients and create unique flavor stories, like fruit-infused or herbal brews, to stand out. Licensing and local collaborations are key for visibility. Hosting small tasting events or weekend workshops builds community engagement. Your brand story, sustainability, culture, or flavor innovation will be your biggest marketing tool. With consistent demand and strong branding, this business can become a lifestyle brand in under 2 years. As technology evolves, assembling compact devices locally is a high-profit play. The small electronics assembly sector will surpass $897 billion by 2028, driven by smartphones, chargers, and LED accessories. With $25,000 to $30,000, you can assemble circuit boards, adapters, and smart lighting units with 25 to 30% margins. Start by supplying local retailers, then expand to Amazon FBA or B2B partnerships. Quality control and certification make your brand trusted fast. Focus on energy-efficient or portable devices. Once established, you can diversify into smart IoT devices. The scalability, consistent demand, and export potential make this one of the most future-proof ideas for 2026. Which idea caught your attention the most? Comment below. I love reading your picks. Don't forget to check the supplier links and startup tools in the description. Remember, ideas are easy, but action builds success. And if you're serious about starting in 2026, don't miss my next videos, where I'll reveal high-demand ideas and guides to explode in 2027. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next wave of profitable opportunities.